So, when it comes to protecting and growing your wealth in retirement, most retirees rely on traditional retirement strategies where you take distributions from your 401k, the stock market, or other alternative investments. But the problem is, what happens if there's a market crash when you want to retire? For example, in 2008, when the market dropped by around 40%. As a result, many investors lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, if you're young, you could just wait for the market to recover. But if you're in or transitioning into retirement, then you need to start taking retirement distributions, and you may not have time to wait for a market recovery. This means there's the very real possibility that you may run out of money in retirement. So, is there a better option? Yes. How? It's by using a solution provided by life insurance companies called annuities. With annuities, you can grow your wealth when the market goes up, protect your wealth from market volatility or crashes if it goes down, and even get a monthly retirement paycheck for as long as you live. The only problem is not all annuities are the same. There are literally hundreds of different annuities from various different insurance companies. So how do you know which one is best for you? That's why we use a proprietary comparison process where we analyze all of the top annuities across multiple companies to help you find the one that best fits your situation. If at any point you'd like us to help analyze which annuities may be the right fit for you, you can click the button on this page to schedule a call with me, and I'll be happy to walk you through all your options and answer any questions you may have. And whether you speak with me or any other advisor to make sure you get the best annuity for your goals, here are 4 crucial questions I recommend you ask. Number 1, what are the fees and how do they work? If someone told you your annuity has no fees, that's simply not accurate. All annuities have costs built in somewhere. The key is understanding what you're paying, how you're paying it, and what you're actually getting in return. Some annuities are very cost efficient. Others quietly eat into your returns over time. So the question is, does your advisor clearly explain the fees to you or just gloss over them? Number 2, which type of annuity is actually best for me? There isn't just one annuity. There are multiple types, including MYGAs, multi-year guaranteed annuities, fixed indexed annuities, and RILAs, registered index-linked annuities. Each one is designed for a different purpose. Some are better for guaranteed income, safe, steady growth, market participation with protection, or long-term accumulation. But here's the issue. Many advisors only show you the one they sell. Instead of comparing all options, they fit you into a single solution. So you have to ask, does your advisor actually walk you through all your options or just the one they wanted you to choose? Number 3, is this my real money or just a number on paper? This is where a lot of people get confused. With many annuities, there are 2 values: your actual account value, what your money is really worth, and your income value, used to calculate future income payments. Now, many advisors highlight the income value because it can show strong, predictable growth, but that doesn't mean your actual money is growing at that same rate. So you need to ask, what can I actually access? What can I withdraw? And what is only used to calculate future income? Because those are 2 very different things. And number 4, how does my money actually grow inside this annuity? Not all annuities grow the same way. Some are tied to fixed interest rates, market indexes like the S&P 500, or structured strategies with caps, spreads, or buffers. So you need to understand how returns are calculated, what limits your upside, and how you're protected on the downside, because 2 annuities can sound similar, but perform very differently over time. So as you can see, there are hundreds of annuity options out there. So if someone has already recommended one to you, there's a very good chance there are other options worth comparing. Not because the one you saw is bad, but because it may not be the best fit for your specific goals. That's why we use a proprietary comparison process, where we analyze all of the top annuities across multiple companies to help you find the one that best fits your situation. So, if you'd like a second opinion, or you just want to make sure you're not leaving money on the table, tap the button on this page to schedule a free, no-obligation retirement strategy call. On this call, we'll take a look at your current strategy and identify any gaps, risks, or missed opportunities. Compare different annuity options, if appropriate, and help you determine what actually makes the most sense for your situation. There's no pressure and no obligation to move forward, so if that sounds helpful, go ahead and click the button on this page to get started, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.